Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm here close to our red maple real area of the Dallas Arboretum and wanted to talk about a couple of trees that are really kind of unique and I think very interesting. The one I'm standing by here is called the blue Atlas cedar. This particular species, Cedar atlantica, comes from the Atlas Mountains. They're north of Morocco and in Algeria. That part of North Africa is very adapted to our climate because it's a dry, hot climate there, and it actually has a lot of high pH soil. So our soil type here really doesn't allow us to grow pines. There's just a few pockets here in the Metroplex where you can grow pine trees where the soil is different. But these particular fir trees don't mind. It's actually in the true cedar family, but it has these beautiful little blue short needles. You can see that cut close. And these are fully mature trees, but really unique specimen in the garden and tree you want to use, but you want to have plenty of space for it because you can buy these small and then think it fits good and it'll overgrow your yard, so you got to be careful because they can get 20-25 feet wide. This particular blue Atlas cedar has a cousin and it's called Cedar Deodora, the Deodora cedar. Let's go down and take a look at it. It has that classic fir growing shape to it. Again, it's in the cedar family. And the needle shape's a little bit different, and these trees can get quite large. Again, they need a lot of space. It's sort of one of those specimen trees you put out in the middle of a space and let it just spread and grow. And again, this is probably about 40 feet high at this point. So it's a lovely tree. You know, of course, it's evergreen and does her well. There's one other kind of different blue Atlas cedar that I wanted to take a look at. So we're going to go over there and I'll show you what that looks like. I think you're going to really find it interesting. So let's go take a look. Hey there, I told you this would be interesting. Look at this. This is a weeping blue Atlas cedar. It's called Glauca pendulum is the scientific name for this. And these can get a lot bigger than this. This is kind of like the largest size you'll usually find in a nursery. But it's a pretty slow growing tree because as it matures, the trunk does get taller, but not a lot. But it tends to just keep branching and weeping. And you can train these into all sorts of shapes. In fact, the shape you see there was done as it grew in the nursery before it was sent out to the garden centers. But again, you still have these nice blue needles, but a cool specimen. And this is something you could plant close up to the house as a focal point. Could make a really beautiful addition to whatever kind of themed garden you might have. Again, it's called Blue Atlas cedar, and this is the pendulum, the weeping version. Dave Forehand, I'll see you real soon.